Welcome to the Curious Code, where law meets curiosity and justice wears a twist of humor. From bizarre laws still on books to strange court cases that actually happened, we bring you short, entertaining, and research backed stories from around the world. Here you will discover weird laws that will make you laugh and sometimes gasp. Famous cases retold in under 2 minutes, curious legal history and courtroom drama, weekly recaps of unusual and trending legal news. No complicated jargon, just fun, surprising, and thought provoking facts about the world of law. If you are curious about the rules that shape our lives and sometimes confuse us, hit subscribe and join the Curious Code.